What's up, everybody? We back with another video. Today is the LSD rebuild video. Earlier today I went to my parents' house and my dad helped me rebuild my diff to replace the clutches, make it a 40% lockup instead of a 25%. So now instead of 2 clutches I got 3 clutches, and I recorded the video on that earlier today, so I'm gonna jump over and show y'all that process. But when we come back, I'm gonna be pressing out these old bushings and replacing them with the Condor Speed Shop polyurethane bushings, and then the diff's gonna be done. The only other thing I'm gonna have to do is just drill and tap the front mounting bolt hole and make it bigger for the 14mm upgrade, but that's gonna come later on. So be back.
You're not videotaping D?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, remember it's spring. It's on the spring, so when you push it, it'll go down. See it? And then this goes this way. When I use it, dog, it is here. Coming now. And this basic ring. And then the 3 oil rings on the top one. This one here, I gotta hold this. Turn that bad boy down.
So the first order of business is pulling the rear cover off and pressing out the old bushings, and then I'm gonna use my Dremel tool and cut out the sleeves, because I don't want to use a press and press out the sleeves, and because these ears on the differential, they're real weak, so I don't want to press it out and risk cracking the ears, and then I gotta go find another rear cover. So Alright, so now we're gonna change stations and I'm gonna cut these sleeves out and then it's time to put the new bushings in. Alright, now for the next step of the process is to use my Dremel tool and cut out the sleeves on the inside so that I can fit the new bushing into it. And for the safety gurus out there, yes, I do have safety glasses on, you just can't see right now. Had to cut that up. So that's one down. Let's knock out the other one and we'll be ready to put the new bushings in. Alright, cool. So now the last step to the process is putting the new bushings into the rear cover. I just gotta put a little bit of assembly grease on there that stop it from squeaking and it make assembly a little bit easier too. But you don't want to use too much and smother it in assembly grease, you know, just a good little amount. Should be good. Alright, my bad. The camera died. I ain't gonna lie, this is starting to be a problem with every video that I do. So I'm gonna end up just going to buy another camera because it's, I mean, not another camera, another battery, because it's starting to get annoying. But I got the bushings in. Turn the light on. I got the bushings in. They pressed in real easy too, but that's because they know they polyurethane. They don't have no really any play. And I just gave you a quick shot of the LSD unit, and yeah, that is green gear oil. I'm using BG synthetic, and I already put in the limited slip additive too. So now all that's left is seal it up. I got my Permatex gasket maker here. Seal it up, put the cover on, probably let it sit overnight, and then I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way. And yeah, but I'll come back with another shot once it's put back together so you can get a look at how the whole diff looks complete, put back together, ready to go. Alright, so now the diff's back together. I got the new Condor Speed Shop bushings installed. Gasket sealant. Everything cleaned up. Looking good. So, like I said, the last thing was left for this is to drill and tap the front mount hole, make it bigger, and tap it so that it's 14 by 1.5. So like I said, there's a bigger, stronger bolt, you know, that way that won't break. Because on the E36s, those front diff bolts are known to break. And I got the new front diff bushing too. But that's not gonna happen until I drop the subframe on the car to do the subframe bushings and everything too, because that bushing is actually on the subframe, and to do it while the subframe's still in the car, that shit's gonna be a pain in the ass. So, but I appreciate y'all for tuning into this video. I'm gonna have some more content coming real soon. I got a lot of parts coming in, a lot of parts that already came in, and I'm actually getting really close to the finish of the swap. So I thank everybody for watching, spending time, leaving comments, likes, everything. I appreciate you. So I'll see you next time.